Okay, so apparently my first recording of this playthrough did not go well with the next sections, and so I'm playing on a different file of Undertale all the way up to Undyne, and then we'll be back to the original file. Yay! Okay, I guess I don't have anything. Maybe I stored it all away. Who knows? Let's go check. Yes, I want to use the box. Yeah, I don't have anything. Okay. Well, that's no biggie. We kind of don't want anything right now. I want to keep it as empty as possible because when I was first recording this, I ran into a lot of stuff that constantly killed me. It wasn't fun, and I regretted not buying enough items to help me along the way. So yeah. Why is it I always forget to close my frickin' door? I need to close the door so that I don't disrupt anyone in the house. Oh well. Who cares right now?
Yo, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here.
Okay, hold on one sec. I'll be back. I'm gonna close the door. Door. My voice is fading. It's fading away. Look at it disappear. You can't hear me anymore. I don't know. Can you hear me all the way from over here? Can you? Okay. Okay, I'm coming back. Okay, now I sound louder. Because sound. And now we're back. And now I have to get a freaking charger because I'm playing this on my laptop and not my desktop, which I did with the original playthrough. I'll just stop in the middle or something. What? You haven't seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs mean twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to grill bees. You wanna come? Sure! Well, if you insist, I'll prime myself for my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. Somehow does it. That shortcut, right? Hey, everyone!
Hey, Sans. Hi, Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hiya, Sansy.
Hey, Sans! Weren't you just here for breakfast a minute ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Brunch is good though. Brunch is the best. Here, get comfy. Comfy. What's comfy? And what? Sans, no! Sans, no! Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Fries or burger? Burger? Hey, that sounds pretty good. Grubby, we'll have a double order of bird. So, what do you think of my brother? Yeah, he's cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. He'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Sure. Bon appetit! Whoops. Yeah, forget about it. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyways. Sans! Did you just scratch your butt? Oh well. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree. Beep Paprius tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the royal guard. One day, he went to the house of the head royal guard, and he begged her to let him be in it. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's, still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yeah, we have. So you know about it. Yes, because we talk to strangers like the irresponsible folk we are. The echo flower. Oh, that one. Okay, never mind. Never mind. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them, and they'll repeat it over and over and over. So don't yell anything irresponsible or inappropriate to them, okay? What about it? Well, Paprius told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Tell your brother to quit talking to strangers. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from work that long. Oh, and by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just no. Just kidding. Groby, put on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Oh no! Whoa, this is new. I've never been here. Really? Nope, I can't go through there, so. But oh no, not you! Not you! Not you! Paprius, stop talking to them! Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, you see, no. I tried my best, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. I can't believe I have to deal with you!
Leave us alone! Leave the small child and the college student alone!
Leave us both alone!
Go! Child, move! Child, move! Child, move! Come on! Don't just sit there! Don't just sit there! I can't move until you move! Child, what are you doing? Okay, yes, you! Fish person, go away! Never come again! Never! Ever! Yo! Did you see the way she was staring at you?
Yeah, we did. Child, no.
That was awesome! I'm so jealous! What did you do to get her attention? Come on! Let's go watch her beat up some bad guys!
No. 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 I feel so bad because as someone who did a previous recording already, I already know what some of this stuff is going to be, and then it's just not as fun for you guys because then it's like, oh well, this is stupid, you already know what's gonna happen, your reaction's gonna be pretty lame, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Yeah, well, here's a child. I told the child what to do. I helped the child, sort of. Though telling isn't way more of helping, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let's flex. Show the gun show! Friend, please.
Yeah, shoot! Shoot! We want that gold though, but please shoot. Okay, Frisk, we're gonna get these. We're gonna put them over here. See? Just like that, Frisk. We're gonna grab the next one. Here, you get that one. Well, I can't get the other ones. You have to do that. I'm sorry, Frisk, but that's game rules. I can't do anything about it. Don't look at me. Don't look at me for not helping, okay? You know what? Here's my excuse. I have to do an essay. How's that? "500-word essay or something. Actually, I don't that. Hello, this is Paprius. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a gross bandage. Is that true? Are you wearing a gross bandage? First off, that's very gross, Frisk. We should get you a new one, but... So you are wearing a gross bandage. Got it. Wink wink. Have a nice day. Okay. And this is stuff about the moon... No, that's just the wishing room. There's a section that's about the monster's lore. Washua. We're gonna flee from you, Washua. I know you love cleaning, and I did clean my room today. You would probably love that a lot. But, yeah. Oh yeah, I should have brought items, because... Frickin' Undyne! Nope. Just run, child, run, child, run, child, run, run, Frisk, go, Frisk, go, Frisk, go, you get away from your flying so fast. Why haven't you? You should be practicing the sport. It would help you. Get on the track team or something. Ask your mumsy about that. No. Do you even have a mumsy? Oh, I guess Dorio would count as your mumsy? But...
Just go ask your mother sometime. Please. Please, do that if you have parents. If you ever get to see your parents, if something happened to them and that's why you're here. No, Undyne, we don't have time for your BS. No. No, you annoying fish. I should just shove you in a tuna can and, like, feed you to, like, very hungry cats or something. You just stop this already. Stop harassing a small child and, like, a person who only, like, knows art stuff. Okay? I can't dodge your spears. Well, I sort of am, but we're not doing well. But I can definitely draw you a picture of a dog with, I don't know, a very naked man's body. I can do that. Do you like naked, dog-headed men or women? I don't know what your preference is. Thank you. Thank you, child. Little monster child.
Yo! Did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again.
No, we don't want to see her again, child. No! Do we look like monsters? No, we're both humans, or at least humanoid individuals. If for some reason, somehow, it turns out we're not humans. What defines things as human anyways?